welcome back to another Minecraft video series. Today we will make survival series. So let's play. I'm making this since I'm planning to record a video. Hi guys, if it's too long before I make a video because I was doing a lot of things, so yeah. Then turn off the speaker. Sorry about it. Easy first. I'm trying this survival series. Here we go. Okay, go back. This is so hard. Seed. What should my seed pick? Oh no, there's no seed. Oh sorry. Ice spikes village. Kinda like here. Ice baby. Use the resource box. Have something for you. SSP. Cheater. Yeah. So this is it. I'm excited. So this it will be a 10-minute video. Or 5-10 minutes like that, okay? So yeah. Here we are. Looking beautiful. Wow, the shaders. So oh, look at that shading. So let's get started. So first we're gonna cut off some, as you probably know, if you play Minecraft. Shout out to you if you play Minecraft. So yeah, comment down below. And guys, please get this 150 views, and this can we get 1,000 likes. So yeah. Let's cut some wood. Yeah. Got some button receiver. So yeah. Really goodbye now. The tree. Well, we put on the purpose. There. Okay, let's find the village. Okay. This first quickly. Spam it. Find the village now. Wait, I need to get some snowballs. What? I'm gonna need to shovel. Such a freak. Oh no! Wait. The minute. It doesn't affect everyone. Oh no! Wait. What I'm doing? I'm talking. So yeah, guys. Oh. Let's find the village. Village not the. Oh, I think I see the house. The heck is that? Saw it. Yes. I saw it. Oh, what? No. Hey. It actually is Bruce. I think this is Bruce. Yeah, it's Bruce. Ocean well, everyone jumped there. So yeah, lucky. Please be lucky. An normal, yes. For the first time in forever. Yes. Okay. So, guys, what do you think? Let's put the house here, or let's just leave it? I think let's build the house. So yeah. Yeah. Oh no. Where's the cow? Is it actually? You need this. Yes. Sorry, I left it there. Okay. Okay. So guys, if you like cows, leave a comment if you like cows. Yeah. Let's go to one of the houses. Let's try this. Wait, let me get my brightness up. Oh wait, there you go. Let me get my brightness up. Brightness up. So it is. Oh, it's -100. It's just a shader. So yeah. Get this. And now you can think it will be completed. So yeah. Oh no. So let's craft big axe. So let's get to mine. Ding 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 ding. Oh, okay, let's cut a tree. Oh, igloo. I mean, igloo. Let's see this. Woo. Wait, let's take the skin. So crazy. An igloo. I'm so lucky. An igloo. There. Eagle. Oh, secret. I'm scared. Hello, Lee. What the heck? What the heck? Oh, are we over the moments of silence there? So yeah. What the heck is this? Oh, I think personal fitness. So there you are. Oh no. Wait. Let's break it. Yeah. This. I'll be careful. Oh. No. You're working. No, I have. Okay. I know. Okay. So yeah. Chinese. Can you attack me now? Hey, let's get up. Oh, nice planting. Yes, kidding. Oh, some here. Anything interesting? No. Wait. Okay. Nothing. So yeah. I think it's 3 to 4 minutes to kill him. So yeah. Okay. This is all. Okay guys, so we got out there. Let's get place. So yeah, let's get into this. So yeah, as I said, let's got a tree. Let's got a tree. Let's got a tree. Okay guys, sorry about this, but I need to end it here. So yeah, thanks for standing by for the video, and yeah, goodbye. And yeah, goodbye. Thanks for